What's up guys and welcome to another episode of 2 Minutes Take Today. So I recently started promoting myself as a digital marketer, an entrepreneur because I've been running a digital agency from quite a time now and I've been also into the field of digital marketing and I've learned a lot of things along the way and helped a lot of people and clients. So I got a lot of questions from people. They were asking me how to build their career in digital marketing or how to get started in digital marketing or how they can learn digital marketing. So went through all these questions and I wanted to be very contextual to the people I'm talking to so that I can provide most of the value, and I found a commonality there. The commonality was most of these people either didn't know what digital marketing actually means or just wanted to make a bunch of money. So making money is not bad, obviously we all need money. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a branch of marketing which utilizes online media, internet, or different online platforms to promote or sell your service, right? Any brands or any business service. So if you are an entrepreneur, if you want to start your own business, even if you want to get inside this field, learning about digital marketing is very, very crucial. So don't just step into different, tentacles of digital marketing. Think of digital marketing as an octopus. So it has various tentacles. It can be SEO, SEM, it can be, content marketing, social media marketing, but all of these tentacles are interlinked. At the end of the day, octopus has to eat, right? So the end goal of all these campaigns, SEO, SEM, is to sell or promote your business or service or to build a brand. Focus on that and then start learning about all these things. And I'm damn sure you'll get a lot of resources out there. Thanks for watching this video. I'll surely upload a bigger video in which I'll be talking about how you can get started and learn digital marketing. Till that, just learn what it actually means and the essence of it. See you next time.